here to care for you. A sip of yarrow, sage and thyme, a salve to mend the wounds of time, a poultice for the aches and chills from meadows sweet and mountain hills. Doctor